Hello children, today we will discuss about our senses. We have 5 senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Sight. Eyes is for sight, for our vision. Ears is for hearing noise. Smell. Nose is for smell. Taste. Tongue is for taste. Touch. Skin is for touch or sensing something. Our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 sense organs. Eyes. We must take good care of them. For good eyesight, we must require vitamin A. Eat yellow and orange fruits and vegetables. Avoid reading in a moving vehicle. Read with the proper light coming from our shoulder. We must sit in a proper light when we read something. Your position must be accurate when you are reading something. Avoid playing with the sharp and pointed objects. They may hurt your eyes. Always wash your eyes with the clean water. Now we'll talk about the ears. We hear with our ears. The world is full of many wonderful sounds. Avoid listening to the loud music in a closed room or through a headphone. Your volume must be normal. Clean them gently with a soft towel. Nose. Nose is for we breathe and smell through our nose. Clean our nose gently after a bath. Don't rub towel hard on your nose. Use a clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. Tongue. Tongue is for taste. It has taste buds. We taste with our tongue. It helps to enjoy different flavors of the food. We can talk clearly, sing clearly with the help of our tongue. Clean your tongue daily with the tongue cleaner. Tongue helps us to identify the taste of different things, like sugar is sweet, bitter gourd is bitter, lemon is sour, chili is spicy, salt is salty. And last one is skin. We feel the sense of touch with our skin, which covers our whole body. When we touch hot thing, our skin sends message to the brain that this thing is hot. Same as when we touch ice cube, our skin tells us that it is cold. Some more examples of skins are when we touch rough thing like wood, it sends message to our brain that this thing is hard. And when we touch this soft toy, it tells us that is smooth and soft. When we touch some sticky material like aloe vera, like shampoo, then it sends message to us that it is a sticky. Thank you so much guys. I hope this video is clear to you. Stay home, stay safe.